This video was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism. Global destinations often treat transit exhaustion as an unavoidable byproduct of travel. In reality, this state of depletion represents a failure of design. Sensory architecture shifts the focus from aesthetics to the precognitive nervous system. It is a discipline of engineering biological responses. This requires us to define the invisible product. These are the environmental elements a guest never touches, yet they regulate the body's recovery systems from the moment of arrival. Modern travel is full of invisible friction points. We see it in the artificial chemical smells used in high-traffic lobbies, the harsh acoustic reverberations created by hard, reflective surfaces, unregulated ambient temperatures, and the subtle spatial disorientation that comes from visual clutter. When an environment ignores these physiological triggers, the biological mechanism of recovery fails. The room ceases to function as a place of rest. Light behaves as a powerful hormone-regulating drug within the body, interacting directly and continuously with the autonomic nervous system. This maps light's impact. Blue spectrum light triggers cortisol, artificially inducing stress in the body. To reset, blue light must be removed after 6 p.m. Warm red spectrum lighting then signals the brain to begin melatonin production, a biological requirement for systemic wellness. Ignoring this chronobiological sequence creates active sensory friction. It prevents the guest from achieving a state of recovery. Applying this chronobiological research in physical spaces involves 3 specific non-negotiable protocols for total autonomic alignment. First, anchoring with scent provides immediate safety cues that bypass cognitive filters. Second, protecting the circadian rhythm through precise control of the lighting spectrum. Third, tuning the soundscape to remove jangling, high-frequency acoustic triggers. These elements must work in unison to communicate safety to the precognitive state. The architecture surrounding us is a biological interface. In the next evolution of hospitality, the primary product is the invisible environment. A visually impressive room can still trigger a spike in cortisol. Design succeeds only when the environment facilitates biological recovery. True immersion is impossible without aligning the space with the guest's autonomic nervous system. Judge a spatial design by the guest's physiological response. When we align every sensory input, the environment supports the body's natural recovery process. This insight was created by Danny Kessler, Associate Professor and Korea's first PhD in wellness tourism.